Alright, guten Tag, or Guten Morgen. I'm here to show you how to install your dishwasher, um, your dishwasher outlet to your air gap. That's your air gap. You see it? Air gap. You have like a two. We have. It's like a crossroads in that air gap. One's going for the One's going for the water from the dishwasher into your into the air gap, and then from the air gap it's discharging and going to this this pipe right here, this tube right there. Was that it? Yeah, that tube right there. And no, that's not it. Yeah, that's it, I guess. That tube, it's gonna go to that tube, and from that tube it'll go to your drain. It'll go to your drain. But that wasn't the most important thing. The most important thing is how to get this on to your onto your air gap. First of all, you're gonna have to cut off this excess rubber right here, and I do it with a knife. So be very, very careful. They have gadgets that will cut it, but they're like $15. I wouldn't waste my time with that. But I'm gonna cut it very carefully, so I don't cut my finger. I don't have to go to ER. You know what I'm saying? So I just kept this baby right here. Because what it's doing is just not allowing you to completely put this up as far as you can onto your air gap transition. And you don't want any leaks. So so what's gonna happen now is that I'm gonna put this sucker as far up as I can, and usually you get like a little lubricant, and because it's a tight fit in there, any kind of lubricant will do. Anything that'll make it in there, and don't worry about it, it'll dissipate later. So I will get this going on there, and I'll show you. I will get this going, and I'll show you the end product. Because, well, I guess I could take you in there. So let's go in there, guys. We'll go in there. I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. All right. There we go. Welcome to my nightmare. Welcome to my nightmare. Oh, I'm not gonna see nothing really, but hey, you're in for the show. Okay. Let me squeeze myself in here. Let me take the tiny little 198-pound body in here. Oh, I'm not something. Oh God. Oh. All right. Okay. Oh, it's in. It is in there. Awesome. Oh shit, yeah. Is it all right? Oh shit. A little bit too good of a job. All right. Ever been? That's too good of a job. All right. All right. Did too good of a job, I tell you. don't know if you guys are listening or... Cause I know you guys can't see nothing. But, you know, you're in here for the ride, you know? Like a free ride. Ticket to ride. I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it, because anymore I don't want to break this, you know what I'm saying? I think that'll do it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what I got on. Alright. Let me take you guys off of here. Show you what I did.